Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. If you've been watching my videos on the 1K challenge, you know that I completed it. I doubled the account, just a little bit more than doubling the account. And right now, I want to start a new challenge today, and that's going to be the one stock challenge. I'm going to tell you what that is. Before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. So the one stock challenge is going to be, I'm going to be trading the same stock over and over again for 30 days or 1 month or however long you guys want to do it. But if you're already a member in the chat room, you can follow my alerts on that. I'm going to be trading the same stock. I'm going to pick which stock. You can pick whatever it is. You can pick Apple, you want to pick Bank of America, or you want to pick Netflix, or even a penny stock, whatever it is, whatever you know. Just pick one and follow it along for a month and see how consistent you can be. I'm going to go over a chart very soon of how traders do that, just to get a brief description of that. So hope you guys want to do this challenge with me. I hope you were following along with the 1K challenge, but let's get into this. It's going to be the same rules as we did for the 1K challenge that I posted in the beginning. So again, rule number 1, no adding money to the account. This one really doesn't matter too much, but you know, this one I started out at a little bit less, a little bit over $1,000 on this one, so that's why I had that on this one. But second one, this is a big one. Keep day trades to a minimum. So if you don't see solid moves or solid setups, don't take them. You can stay out. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. The third one is the biggest one, risk management. So that goes down here. You can read that below. And the last one, this one, you can, that's going to be only one of these. So I'm going to pick one of these from here and pick which one I want to trade. Whether you know a stock or you don't know it, you know, read up on it, practice trading it, and then pick that for the challenge. And again, keep it fun and enjoy, play it safely, don't get greedy, and absolutely no crazy YOLO trades. So guys, this is my one stock challenge that I'll be doing. I'll be picking a stock. I know some members are joining this with me as well. I'm starting this tomorrow immediately, and I did that. So let's go ahead into the chart. So again, this is what I want to really emphasize on. So everybody wonders, how many stocks do the professionals trade? Do they trade one stock, or do they trade 30, 40 stocks? How are they making money? You know, just because they have a lot of money and a lot of experience, yeah, of course that helps them, but how many stocks are they really trading every day? It's 1 to 2 at max, maybe even 3 depending on how the markets are trading, but most of the time, 80-90% of the time, it's 1 to 2 stocks, usually just one of them. If you can master one stock and trade it, take S&P 500. If you know the ins and outs, how it trades in the mornings and the evenings, then you're going to be very consistent. That's why I have this chart. The less you trade, the more consistent you'll be. And you don't have to be a professional at every other stock. Whatever people throw at you, a different one each day. That's why if you trade different one each day, that's where the beginners are, because they look at the news, they see what's going on, they see the hype about a stock, and they hear about it in the news, or their friends tell them, they see it online, and they don't know the stock, they don't know what's going on, and they could get in and it could just crash the next day because of the news, because they don't know what's going on. And then you get to 5 to 10 here. So if we go back into the 1K challenge in the beginning, you can see I only have 5 here, 5 stocks. That's why I was able to be consistent, and in 2 months I doubled the account trading options. So that's why how I was able to be consistent. I was trading a lot of stocks myself, different ones each day, but this is how you want to be consistent. Trade less as possible. If you can master one thing, then you can do that with the stock, and say that it goes down, then you can switch to a new one, and then stick to that one, and so on. Stick with something you know and be consistent. So I just want to emphasize that. So let's go ahead and look at the markets and do a quick recap. So let's take a stock, let's pull up, let's say Apple for instance. So if you are looking at this and looking at the 1 year chart, or let's zoom in a little bit on the 30 days and say you know this stock very well, and right now it's on a downtrend, but let's take a good portion of it where it was on a nice solid uptrend right here. say you know it has a nice solid 200 resistance and it's getting rejected off of it, and then you can trade it up and down here in this section here, and you can trade it up and then trade it down. You can even short it or wait for the next position, get it up there, wait for it to get oversold, and then pick it up at the lows and then sell it high. You can continuously do that with any stock. And a stock that I really like and most likely will be picking for this is Visa. It's a consistent grower, so you can look at this, so you get in here, exit here, get in here, exit here. It's not that easy just by looking at the previous chart, but you can see what I mean. If you can master this, then you can, that's where you're going to be consistent, and that's what the pros are doing. So if that's what the pros are doing, then that's what you should be doing as well. If you can master one thing, then do that and be consistent. So again, going back to the chart that I made on this, that's where the New York Stock Exchange traders are trading, and the market makers, the big guys with the millions and millions of dollars, billions of dollars that are trading every day, they only trade 1 to 2 stocks. So I just want to emphasize that and hope you guys want follow along with the challenge with me. And if this video helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. And I'll see you again, and I'll keep you guys updated weekly on how this challenge is going. Alright guys, take care. Have a great day. If you want to join the chat room and receive live trading alerts, along with be a part of a great positive trading community, make sure to head over to pinnacletrading.us, and you can grab a 1-week free trial at no cost by scrolling down and clicking the join now button to see how we are and how we run. And if you want to join the membership, head over to the membership tab, and we have simple month-to-month plan pricing and simple pricing setup. Our gold includes our options, investing more, and your diamond includes one-to-one mentorship access, where we teach you how to get started with trading, whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, started with investing, trading stocks, options, and more. And if you want to grab our 6 and 12 month plans, we have that as well, which saves you money in the long run.